Have you ever wondered if you could run your Ooma device through a network switch and still maintain that crystal clear voice quality? It's a common question and one I faced myself. When setting up a home office, network ports can become a precious commodity. You've got your computer, your printer, maybe a network-attached storage (NAS) device, and then your Ooma, the device that gives you fantastic, low-cost VoIP service. The Telo needs to be connected to your network to function, but what if your router is in another room, and you only have one Ethernet cable running to your desk area? The natural and correct answer is to use a network switch. A network switch allows you to take a single Ethernet connection from your router and split it into multiple ports for all your other devices. Now, here's the critical part. Most people assume the Ooma has to be plugged directly into the router's internet port for quality of service, QoS, to work, or that connecting it via a switch will introduce lag and drop calls. But I'm here to tell you, you absolutely can connect your Ooma to a switch, and the setup is surprisingly simple. The key connection points. The Ooma has two Ethernet ports on the back, the to internet port and the home network port. This is where most confusion arises. To internet port, this port is designed to be connected to the source of your internet, traditionally, your main router. Home network port. This port essentially functions as a mini switch itself, allowing you to plug a computer or another single device into the Ooma. The switch setup, 2 easy steps. To connect Ooma to your network switch, you are going to treat the switch as the main connection point. The source connection. Run one Ethernet cable from an open LAN port on your main router to any open port on your new network switch. This establishes the internet connection for the switch. The Ooma connection. Run a second Ethernet cable from a different open port on your network switch to the to internet port on the back of your Ooma. That's it. Addressing quality of service, QoS. You might be thinking, what about QoS? Doesn't the Ooma need to be first in line? Here's the trick. When the Ooma is placed behind a network switch, or your main router, for that matter, it relies on its built-in QoS features to manage voice traffic. By default, the Telo is highly optimized to prioritize its own voice data packets. It doesn't actually need to be the first device your modem connects to. It just needs a stable connection to your network. By connecting it to the switch, you are giving it that stable connection alongside your other devices. The switch simply acts as a traffic director, and the Ooma is intelligent enough to manage its own voice traffic over the shared link. You'll get clear calls, no dropouts, and you've just saved a valuable port on your main router. This setup is clean, efficient, and works perfectly for nearly all standard home and small business setups. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.